Good morning, world. Breaker Broke back again with another outdoor truck stop morning rip, early morning truck stop rip. Sitting here at Flying J in Roberts, Wisconsin. I got box number 6 and 7 that came from Walmart. The first 5 boxes came from Target, and like I said, wife picked out one, I picked out one. This is the one that my wife picked out, and this is the one that I picked out. I'm gonna get it going. Let's rip. Early morning truck stop rip. It's like a little after 5:30. My shipper don't open till 7. It's about a block away. Ooh, I think we got a Relic right in there. There's a thick card right there. Looks like a thick one. Not too super thick. Not like the heavy lumber auto Relic thick, but like stars of M or what's that? Baseball stars or all-star Relic. Come on, there we go. Kind of flip through these here. Jason Dominguez. I think they're just in a different correlation. Trey, you're a savage. As I did on my recap on Trey. So we got DC dudes flipped around backwards for no apparent reason. Dustin Steele. Hunter Green. Still looking for short print rookie. That'd be nice to get. Any one of the 4. Gavin Lux, Alec Boom, Dalen Lyle, Kids, Henry Smith, or even a base Drake Baldwin. I don't think I've pulled a base Drake Baldwin. Cade Horton, Kodasinga, Carson Kelly. He's been pretty good for the Cubs. Some pretty hot games, hasn't he? Merle Kelly, JT Ramoto, Jackson Jobe on the base. There we go. Clayton Kershaw. Ooh, pink. Oh, I exposed my Relic. Chipper Jones, you can see that. Got pink. So is this considered crooked numbers or league leaders? I say the leaders, but pink Kershaw, and then we got Chipper Jones on the All-Star Relic. I like that. I actually brought some thicker top loaders just in case for that. Set that right there. Jay Shack, I know you liking that card, aren't you? Diamante, Sandridge, and Jared Young. And I saw that Chase Utley, so flip this around here. Pete Alonso on Stars MLB. Christian Moore. Oh, what we got here? This is a new insert. This must be like the baseball's variation insert. It looks kind of familiar to the Titans of the Game, but it doesn't say Titans of the Game. It just says baseball, so I think it's just like a baseball insert. Oh wait, it says Titans of the Game on the back. Shouldn't that be on the front? Anyway, Bubba Chandler, Stars MLB. Oh, we got Jacob Marcy on the 90 tops. I know I'm covering that up. Chase Utley. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to get these all sleeved up, packaged up, put away. See you till next time.